Park and the Medicine-Bow Range in the northern and Front Range foothills. Snowfall totals, but significant impacts seem likely, especially to mountain travel. This is a winter storm watch for the possible due to heavy snowfall on roadways. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.
Echo.
This is a winter storm. This is a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service. For the following locations in Colorado, the Southern Front Range foothills including Idaho Springs and Evergreen, and the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range, and the Indian Peaks.
New one.
Winter storm warning in effect from noon Friday to noon Mountain Daylight Time Saturday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 12 and 24 inches. Where? The mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range, and the Indian Peaks, and the Southern Front Range foothills. When? From noon Friday to noon Mountain Daylight Time Saturday. The following impacts are expected. Heavy snow will accumulate on tree branches and power lines, possibly causing them to break and lead to power outages. Travel may become very difficult to impossible due to heavy snowfall on roadways. Do not touch down power lines and report any power outages to your electric company. Travel is highly discouraged due to slick roadways and the possibility of downed trees and power lines. Late spring storm may...
It is 91 right now. 91 right now. We just got a winter storm warning.